We are constructing 90 degrees using a protractor and a compass and a meter rule. Now, we're checking the measurements. I would like you to subscribe to my channel. If this is your first time of visiting the channel, you subscribe and turn on the notification bell to receive our subsequent upload. Now, before you start, you take the origin, okay, considering the 7mm from 0 to 7, you draw a straight line. You draw a straight line, cut across that measurement given. After drawing the straight line, before you construct angle 90, you first of all you open a pair of compass. You open your compass. When you open your compass, you cut an arc at the top and you cut an arc below. Now, using that same measurement, don't alter it. You take it to the other side of the line and you cut an arc. To cut across the first arc, you cut an arc and you cut the second one. If you observe using a meter, you discover that the line from the upper and the lower arc are the same where the arc cut. Now, since we are constructing angle 90, we are not going to draw a straight line to cut across it. We draw a line to join the previous line drawn. Now, using your protractor, if you want to measure that, you discover that this line drawn is already 90 degrees. And before we proceed, I would also like to check that so that we can see ourselves by ourselves that the line or the angle constructed is already 90 degrees. Now you take it to the origin. The hole is the origin. Then you make sure the line or the protractor is properly placed. You discover that we arrive at 90 degrees already. Now, if you want to subdivide or to reconstruct or to add another angle to the constructed 90 degrees, let's consider 45 degrees now, which is a half of 90 degrees. We can also bisect that 90 degrees to have angle 45 using that same length without altering the dimension. Now you cut an arc, you cut the arc, then you stand at the top, you cut another arc. Now it is left for you now to join a straight line to cut across the arc and the origin of the previous 90 degrees. You make sure the line and you draw. Now this is what you do. Now then you measure to see. Now if you observe, the protractor is calibrated from this side as now from there is 10, 20, 30, 40, and we have 5 in between. That's the way of construction.